Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset service indicator or the inspection indicator of a Volkswagen Golf. It's a 2002 model, it's a Golf 4, and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. It says service yet when we turn the ignition on, like this, and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We do appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. If you don't like my videos, let me know why you don't like my videos so I can improve myself to help each other. Any questions, any comments, use the commentary and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And we have more than 250 other cars on my channel, so you can view them all if you'd like. And this is how we can reset this car. First step is turn the ignition off. Turn off the ignition. Then there are two buttons over here. This is the one and this is the other one. We're gonna use this button. The second step is press this button and then turn the ignition to the second position, like that. Then as you can see, it doesn't blink anymore. The service jetzt indicator. Yes, it's in German. Once you have done that, you're going to use this button to turn it to the right, this side. Once you have done that, keep turning that to the right, like this, and you'll see that the service jetzt indicator disappears. So we're going to check it, open, close, and the indicator doesn't beep anymore. And that's how you reset this. Once again, turn off the ignition, press this one, turn the ignition on like this, service jetzt. This button, turn it that way, keep turning that till it's gone, and that's how you get rid of the service jetzt indicator for the Golf. Volkswagen Golf is a 2012 model. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you next time with another video. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, bye bye.